24B, 146, 543, and I also have, that's it. Yes.
Good morning, Judge. Attorney Corey Westmoreland, on behalf of Mr. Brown.
Your name, sir?
Jennifer.
Geez, where's he been? Why are you coming in here a year and a half late?
What looks like a routine traffic docket quickly turns into a full-blown courtroom roll. We've got repeat license suspensions tied to prior drunk driving, missed court dates, bond confusion, and a judge clearly running out of patience. From financial penalties to probation, warnings, and later, a heated family dispute that nearly explodes in open court. This session shows exactly how fast things can unravel when people ignore court orders. Pay close attention, because every decision here carries real consequences, and not everyone realizes that until it's almost too late.
It was hard. I was off of work. I had cut my finger off almost.
All right, so what do we have here? I have a driving on a suspended from July 23 of 24. I have another drive while suspended from August 5 of 24. And it looks like there's going to be a plea to no ops on both of these with the suspend to be dismissed. Is that right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, for purposes of arraignment, does he stand mute, waive formal reading?
That's correct.
If you plead to no valid operator's license on person, sir, the possible penalties on each one of these are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all those. And then if you plead to that on both cases, I'm going to dismiss on both cases the drive while suspended pursuant to the agreement that you and your lawyer reached with the prosecutor. You understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign an advice of rights form here today and read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, let's start with the Brownstown case. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. The Flat Rock case, July 23, 24. How do you plead to the charge of no valid operator's license on person?
Guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Telegraph near Leonard in Flat Rock on July 23 of 24 at 4:26 in the morning?
Yes.
Was your license suspended or revoked?
Suspended.
Why was it revoked? Drunk drivings?
Back from 10. Thought it was
Okay, you got to keep your voice up for me.
yeah, it was revoked.
I can't hear you.
It was revoked in 010.
Why don't you pull that microphone over there for him? Okay, so you were still revoked in July of 24, correct?
Yes.
All right. Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
To the charge drive while suspended, revoked, denied from the August 5, 24 case. How do you plead to that?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle in Brownstown on Telegraph near Van Horn at 1:12 in the morning on the 5th of August of 24?
Yes.
Did you have a valid license on your person on that at
No.
that time? Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Please accepted to both charges. The suspend, revoke, denied on both charges are dismissed. Did he just forfeit a bond too?
That I'm not sure.
He forfeited a bond. Why didn't you show up on November 6th?
Couldn't do my job. It's how my job is set up.
Where do you work?
Sand distribution center in Brownstown.
You live in Flat Rock?
Yes.
You mean there's... I don't understand
It's
this.
hard for me to get an Uber out that way. I live off of Will Carlton and Telegram.
All right, Lisa, did we forfeit his bond, it looks like, on October 23 or thereabouts? Or maybe
We have-
not till November 6th, I should say.
Yeah, we have not forfeited it yet.
Anything you want to say, counsel?
Your Honor, I would ask that his bond be reinstated at this time. I would like you to know he is diligently taking care of all of his tickets with the hopes of obtaining a valid Michigan driver's license. He knows not to drive until he does restore those driving privileges. His wife is in the courtroom.
Where's his wife? How you doing? You having to babysit your husband here a little bit? Huh? Please don't do this with me again, Mr. Brown. I hate this, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you want to say anything?
No.
All right. He only had one bond, it looks like, that I signed forfeiture on. So that bond, if I haven't signed it, you said I haven't signed it yet, right?
Not yet.
Okay, so that's still in effect. We can apply the bond on each case 100 fines, 180 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 405 or 90 days, okay? So it looks like you probably have 3,010%. That means 270 would apply. You know, 135 on one, 405 on the other. You can pay those now, right? Tell me you can pay those.
I would say, 270.
Lisa, just set up a payment plan with him, will you please?
Okay, what was the total again? I'm sorry. Was it 405?
405, excuse me. 405 or 90 days on each case, but he has the 3,010%, I believe it is.
Got it. Yep.
So then he has 200 in his pocket, so one of them will pay in full. The other one you can give him time on, okay?
Okay.
Stop doing this, please, okay? So good luck, thank you. Go down the hall to the judicial clerk, thanks. You too. What are we doing? Is Pish out there still or not? Violation?
Judge O'Donnell, yes, this was a violation. This was the penalty for her last violation, was the 2 days in the court work program.
All right, and you're satisfied from looking at everything that?
Yes, she provided medical documentation. I have a note from her doctor that's most recent, stating that she has some medical issues and she wouldn't be good on the court work program due to the strenuous work that they'll be doing.
Defendant can serve 16 hours of community service in lieu of completing 2 days on the court work program. And I presume that I assessed the fees, so court work program fees, Lisa, to be deducted. To
She's
be,
paid her balance in full.
oh, we gotta refund it. We're gonna have to refund.
I'll refund it, Judge. I'll send her a check.
Right. Refund of $70 to be sent, okay? That's what I'll do on them. You understand?
No.
I'm gonna send you back $70 since you didn't do the court work program.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you do 16 hours of community service in the light of the fact that you got a medical issue. And that you're gonna complete by January, what's the date of her, what's the date of her,
Your Honor, could you just keep the $70? And I have serious health issues.
you're gonna be able to do sedentary work. You're gonna be able to, I don't want your $70. We're not here to, you're gonna be able to do $70 to be completed by February 1st to 26th. I'll give you until no. Did I extend her probation before?
Yeah. Yeah, she's extended now to March 4th of 2026.
Okay, well, I'll give you till February 1st to 26th, but we're gonna return the $70. You have to do 16 hours of community service by February 1. Now, Mr. Cole here complained to Jessica that you were driving by his house. Did you drive by his house?
No, I did not, Your Honor. I do not want no part of these people.
Okay, slow down. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not a violation really. Okay? So, but I don't want you to go by there. Why are you guys?
Your Honor.
I didn't say you did.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you something.
Hang on. Don't interrupt me.
I'm not gonna interrupt you, but I would like to say something. Please, when you're done.
Do not drive by.
I live in Johannesburg, Your Honor.
I know, so
I have a premature granddaughter that's fighting for her life. I do not care about these two people. I never have. I do not go by their house. I do not do nothing to them. I haven't had nothing to do with them in 6 years. They are lying.
Judge, if I could.
And
On
that's
the
all
date-
I say. That's all I don't.
On the date and time that this was, that this set happened was November 3rd. She was here November 3rd at the courthouse for an appointment with me. So she was in the area at that date and time. Also, they did have video footage. Based on the video footage, what the officer was able to look at, and based on her picture that's through the driver's license of Secretary of State, the officer confirmed that it looked like her in the video.
Okay.
He was pretty positive it was her.
So,
And she was in this area at that day.
so
So I do believe it was her. Again, I don't believe this breaks no contact with her, but again, she has no reason to be driving by their home or anything like that.
Your Honor,
Ma'am,
I have a video of him,
ma'am,
but I would like to say something.
no,
I don't,
no, this isn't about him.
he is on
Ma'am.
property.
Stop interrupting me. You guys want to fight like cats and dogs, that's up to
I don't
you.
get time for this.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Listen to me, please. I'm now ordering you not to drive down his street. You're gonna prepare an amended order. You're not to drive down his street. That's just stoking the flames. I don't know why you two are doing this as brother and sister, relatives. I have no idea. I don't understand it. Life is short. We don't get to live till we're 4,932. And quite honestly, life's too short for this, but that's just my opinion. You two want to fight? That's up to you. You two want to keep coming in here on violations and violation? That's up to you.
I'm not coming in here.
But-
They are.
Ma'am, I'm telling you not to drive down the street,
Understood.
okay? I didn't say you did it. You heard what I heard. You heard her say what she said. If I thought a police officer was lying to me, they'd be in here, subject to a contempt charge. I don't believe they were lying. I don't think you should go down there. I told Ms. O'Donnell when she told me about this that I really didn't think that was a violation of the no contact. Now I'm being clear. You're not to drive down his street. Do you understand that?
I don't even come to ground.
Do you
Yes, I do.
understand
Yes, I
me?
understand you.
All right. Now just settle down. Now, you can go out this way. We don't need to have any fighting going on here. You go out back this way through the court with your community service done by February 1, and everybody will be happy, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's from Morris's parents.
Benjamin Chester Morris, 25T 643818.
Morning, Your Morning, Getting on Jamil Puja, appearing on behalf of Benjamin Morris.
Sir, your name?
Benjamin Morris?
Does he just stand mute, wait for more reading?
He doesn't.
I'm entering a not guilty plea. $500 personal bond. Sir, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. No contact with prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer, okay? No contact with prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. We'll give you a new court date.
Just, he does have another matter that's set for a pretrial this morning before Judge Heston. And so speaking with the prosecutor, we were able to reach a global resolution where he'll dismiss this case. And he's going to plead guilty to a different charge.
Whatever you want. I don't have a stip form here, though.
I have that. He wrote it, but it wasn't arranged, yes.
Okay.
You don't want me to wait till the arraignment.
I'm sorry, I didn't see that.
No, it's okay. He wanted me to wait till the arraignment was over before.
So this is subject, has he already pled in front of Judge Heston?
No, I'm not sure that she's on the bench, but he is going to go in there and I don't plea.
Well,
He wants to go there first and come back.
I really do. I'm sorry.
No, I
Uh,
didn't say that.
I'll tell you what, you're an officer of the court. I'm just,
We're not to leave here before.
I know, I'm just gonna say dismissed. I'm gonna dismiss this conditional upon plea going through. What's the plea over there?
He's going to be guilty to this, to trespassing under 771.1.
On condition on plea to trespass under 771.1 in front of Judge Heston. If that goes through, we have an understanding. He's gonna come back. It's gonna be remain dismissed. If it doesn't, then this case is reinstated. Fair enough?
Fair enough.
Okay. Good luck to you, Mr. Morris. I wish you well. Thank
This
you.
evening.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah.
Jermaine Hall. Jermaine Shorn Hall. 25G 306-346A, B, and C. Oh, John. Who wants to go on that? All right. In that, Morris file.
Yes, she's got it.
Okay, what are we doing? We're just adjourning this again?
He needs to get clearance to the judge, so we just need adjournment for premises. If
Good.
we could get 30 days, Judge. He's got,
I'll do it for you, but you've had 10 months. Okay,
Yes,
got it?
yes.
What does that mean? It means you didn't show up, right?
Right.
You're not gonna do that again, right?
No, sir.
Good. Okay, Lisa, give me 4 weeks on this.
December 18th at 9:15.
Okay, December 18th at 9:15, that'll give you enough time. Stop showing disrespect to judges and courts, Mr. Hall. It's not the judge, it's the courts, the system, the judicial system. It's the best in the world. Start to respect it, will you please? We'll give you that new date. You go down the hall, you'll get your date. And in the paper notice, and you are all set. Any questions?
No, sir, you have a good one.
Thank you. You too. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. You look kind of sharp there.
Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Where do you work?
I'm actually looking for a new job.
Why? Why'd you leave your other job? You got fired?
Temp service, yeah, temp service. I'm actually looking for a better job that's not in the temp service.
How old are you?
26.
Why would you give up that job before you got a new job? I love this generation. You guys aren't gonna worry about anything, are you? Huh?
You cut hair on the side.
What's that?
Cut hair. I cut hair on the side. So,
I'm just telling you, get a job. Life's a lot more fun if you got 2 nickels to rub together, okay?
yes. Sir.
Good luck. Thanks.
they still got a few on these shows.
Is that what you want me to do?
Well, if I get them out of the way. Well, they don't, because you're not gonna come back, so. No step.
Thanks, Mr. Gate.
Thank you, Judge.
So we got Michael Wayne Caldwell, 25G 81179, will issue a show cause. Defendant, your name, sir? Good morning. You're charged with no trailer plate, no proof of insurance, and a safety equipment violation. You have the right to an attorney. I will give you one if you would like one. Would you like an attorney?
Fine. No.
Okay. I'll go ahead and arraign you then, and I'll let you go talk to the prosecutor, okay?
Thank you.
On October 28 and 25 at 9:20 in the morning, the police think that you were operating a commercial vehicle on King near Douglas in the city of Trenton, County of Wayne, and that you had no trailer plate. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all of those. There's a commercial vehicle, no proof of insurance citation, marked count 2, or set forth in count 2. And there's a civil infraction of safety equipment violation, no flares or triangles, it appears. So 2 civil infractions, 1 misdemeanor. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign this advice of rights form? Did you read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, whether that's today or at any other time, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Understand that?
Yes.
Okay. I'll enter a not guilty plea. If you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer,
Yeah, I have,
and then I'll send you to the prosecutor and you can talk to the case about him, with him. And if he doesn't give you what you want, you can come back in and apply for a court-appointed lawyer if you want. Do you want to do that?
I've
I can't, that's not my function. You can show everything you have to him,
okay.
and then he will work with you, talk to you, see if you guys can come to a resolution. Okay, is that fair?
Sure.
Not guilty pleas entered, plea of denial on the civil infractions, $100 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without consent of court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Do you understand all that?
Yep.
All right. You can go right out in the hall. He's going to bring this file to the prosecutor, and then you'll come in front of me, okay? Thank you. Okay, so sir, you've done it. Good job.
Appreciate it.
I mean, really, you did what you were supposed to do. You're gonna stay out of here now, right?
Forever and ever.
Good, good. Well, it'd be like that unless you go to law school or become a police officer. Defendant compliant, entitled to discharge per statute. Defendant discharged. You are all set. We'll send you the order, okay?
All right, appreciate it.
Have a good day. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Good luck.
Take care.
Thanks.
Do I need to go see the PO or?
You're all done. You don't have to see anybody in this building anymore.
All right, appreciate it. Take care.
You too. Bye now. How you doing?
Morning. Charles, I'm on behalf of Reginald.
Make sure they follow through with this, will you please? They gotta have this done by the rental registration by the 15th, or defendant to vacate. Defendant to vacate the property by, it says December 15th. If not, ticket will be reissued. So
Understood.
you're gonna tell them to get out of there, right?
Yes.
Case dismissed, motion to prosecutor. Nice to have you here. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Robbins, this has to be yours. People against, are you Riley Daniel Smith case?
No, Jackson Contracting.
Okay, as soon as we get that, I'll get you out of here. Riley Daniel Smith,
He's done.
that one is, yes, both of those are. 25G 306704. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Your name? How you doing?
By yourself.
Not too bad. What's going on? How's your record?
It should be clean. I have no concept of this ticket I got.
All right, you're gonna be careful, right?
Yep.
You want to plead to impeding?
I'm not guilty.
I thought you don't want to plead to impeding?
I didn't run the red light.
Did you tell them that back there? They sent it in like you want to plead to impeding.
He didn't really have to say no. He said,
Okay, just listen here. Hang on a second. I just want to make sure you understand. If you want me to set up for an informal hearing, I have no problem. I just want to make sure you understand everything here. If there's going to be, if there's going to be a hearing then, if you lose, the convictions entered and points assessed. If you win, obviously you pay nothing and no points. But if you plead to impeding, it's not going on your record. It's 0 points. I'm not suggesting you should do that. I just want you to think it through carefully. Do you want more time to think it through carefully, or you want me to just go ahead and set it for an informal hearing?
let's go with the MP then.
Are you sure? I don't want to be the one talking you into it. I'm not trying to talk you into it. I just want to make sure you understand everything before you make this decision.
Yeah, it's all right.
What's all right?
Go on for informal.
You want to go for informal? You want to plead to impeding?
Yes.
Okay. If you want, I can get this lawyer out of here and you can take as long as you need this morning to think about it.
Yeah, it's all right.
You want to plead to impeding then?
Yeah, I just want to get it done.
You're sure?
Yep.
Okay. To the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge, $150 is your total. You can go down the hall and pay that and you're all set.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Appreciate it.
Jacqueline Contracting?
Yeah.
Jacqueline Contracting, 25T 6466633. I never heard of them.
Good morning, Your Honor. Paul Robinson, appearing on behalf of Jackson Contracting.
All right, so this would be a plea to overweight with reduced fines to 4,000, true?
That is correct.
To that charge on the behalf of the company, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'll accept the plea, $4,000, December 20.
Okay.
Everything good?
Everything is very good. Yes. How about?
Oh, you got another one.
Same company, just this second one's written in the owner's name.
I see. We also have Jacqueline Scott, 25B149669 to A and B.
Yeah, it's actually Scott Jacqueline. But
Scott.
it was written up with the name reverse.
Okay, Scott Jacqueline, maybe we can change that on the site, on the JIS, Lisa, please. Scott, Scott Jacqueline, Jacklyn, correct? All right, so this case, so I'm gonna amend the citations to indicate that Scott Jacqueline is the proper name for both charges. And then there's going to be a plea to overweight on this one with agreed upon fines and costs on file A to $2,000. And then the defendant, or the prosecutor rather, will move to dismiss the improper display correct?
That is correct, and I do have authority to be responsible on behalf of my client for that charge.
Okay, so to that charge of overweight, responsible or not responsible,
Responsible.
please accept it, $2,000 paid by December 20. On the improper display, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the case. Done, motion prosecutor. So things are going well for you?
Yes, yes, indeed.
Good. Well, give your family our best, okay? Have a nice Thanksgiving.
Same to you as well.
Good to
And
see
the
you.
reason you never heard of this company is they were coming down to do a favor for a contractor which needed a hauler.
This is where the courtroom temperature spikes. What starts as a technical probation issue turns deeply personal family members. Accusations, video footage, and raw emotion all collide. Legally speaking, the judge makes something very clear. Even if this behavior doesn't technically violate a no-contact order, it absolutely risks escalating conflict. Courts don't just punish crimes, they try to prevent the next one. That's why the judge issues a direct, unambiguous order not to drive down that street again. And let's be honest, when a judge says, life's too short for this, that's not just legal advice, that's a final warning. Do you think the judge handled this with restraint, or should this have gone further?
Down at Elizabeth Park project.
Okay,
The drivers didn't know where they were going. They went over a restricted weight bridge because their GPS told them it was.
that's what they get to do. They're doing a favor, right?
Take care.
Have a great one. Thank you. People against, I hope I'm pronouncing this.
Attorney David Larkin, be number 67994, on behalf of Ron Levin, one who stands to my right, and stating after the record, because he's on.
Brian Lehman.
All right. Do we have so the fair and report of property damage accident, she stands mute, waives formal reading on that, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So now there's going to be a plea to fair to yield, right?
Correct. I explained, Ms. Money's trial rights to her. She signed the advice and rights in the back of the vehicle.
So if you plead to this man, this is a civil infraction and the misdemeanor will be dismissed. The possible penalties on this will actually, it's just a fine and 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. And did you, you understand everything on this advice of rights? Not that it matters because this is just a civil infraction. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to ask you how you plead the fair to yield, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Nobody was hurt in this, were they?
No, they were parked.
Parked cars?
Yeah.
All right. You got to be careful, okay? All right. I'll accept the plea 195, original charge dismissed. She can pay that today?
She kind of.
Have a good day. Be careful, please.
Today's courtroom session was a powerful snapshot of how the justice system balances enforcement, discretion, and human behavior. We saw suspended licenses tied to past DUI offenses, financial penalties structured around ability to pay, probation conditions adjusted due to medical needs, and firm boundaries set to prevent family conflicts from spiraling further. The judge's rulings consistently sent one message: follow the rules, show up, and take responsibility, or the consequences escalate quickly. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns just like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing real courtroom moments into focus.